Sausage like this you've never seen. Here I'm using 600 of Tuscan sausage and I'm going to remove all the stuffing from this skin. It will stay that way. Now reserve it. In a form, I will add a little oil. I will spread this oil very well and then I will add the sausage. Once that's done, now just spread the sausage on the bottom of the pan until everything is even. It's already perfect. Now just take and bake at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a container, add 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped pepper, 1 chopped onion, paprika smoked to taste, black pepper to taste, and some oil. With the help of a spoon, let's mix everything. Let's leave this mixture aside. The sausage, after leaving the oven, will release this liquid. Just take it out. Add 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, over the cheese, spread our salad well. For a special touch, add 100 of grated mozzarella. Let's bake it again at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Guys, look how delicious. Do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. This recipe is perfect for your lunch or dinner. Super quick and easy to make, and the taste is irresistible. I hope you like it. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.